Hey guys, Caleb with Black Pearl Media here. Thank you so much for stopping by. And in this video, we're gonna wash the 350Z for the first time in a year. And this vinyl wrap has been on the car for about 3 years, maybe a little over 3 years now. So we'll see how it's holding up. So if you guys are new to the channel, my name's Caleb and that's my 08 350Z. It is rear mount turbocharged and it is also vinyl wrapped. It's been vinyl wrapped for about 3 years now and I don't take a ton of care of it. You know, I wash it here and there, not very much, and it's been over a year since the last time I washed this car. It's been in and out of shops, it's been sitting for a while, it's done this, there's dust, there's grime, there's grossness all over it. So I just wanted to show you what I do to clean the car, and I'm by no means a professional when it comes to professional detailing, and this is a satin wrap that's camouflage, so it's a little bit different than a little bit of a, you know, those high gloss wraps, but hopefully this will, you know, just get you familiarized with what the process is. It's very similar to washing a regular car, and so I would say it's probably easier. So why don't we get into it? So as you can see, there's a lot of caked on dust and grime all over the place, and it has been sitting for quite a while, but I think it's gonna clean up pretty well. So the first thing I'm gonna do is mix up some water. Make sure you use a low pH soap. I always set up a second clean bucket with a grit protector, and then I'll go ahead and spray the car down. This helps remove all the big chunks of dirt and grit that are built up. Next, starting from the roof of the car, I will start to lather it up with either a sponge or a microfiber towel. I try to go light on this, just trying to agitate and keep the motions in a left to right or back and forth. I try and stay away from swirling motions. Remember to swap out the water when it gets too dirty. This is why you want to get a dip tank with a soil collector protector thing, because I dip this in the clean water bucket to rinse it, and look what it comes out as. That's a lot better. I could have kept going. This is a little bit of oil residue. Nothing too gritty, which I'm worried about scratching up though, so this is fine for me. I'm just gonna flip it over, use the other side. Now I'll take microfiber towels and wipe off the excess water so that it doesn't dry and stain. It's a good practice to do this on an overcast day or at the end of a day where the sun is not directly hitting the car. And while we're at it, I can't skip the wheels and the tires with some degreaser and wheel cleaner here. And we'll just, there we go, all clean. All right guys, so that does it for the first clean I've done in a year on this vinyl wrap. And I gotta say, I think it turned out pretty darn good. I will get up a little close here. The roof was super dirty, looking real clean. The hood was super dirty. I don't know if you can get all this, but like it's really good. Half decent for sure. Not bad for 3 years old. Not bad at all. And not as much upkeep as I probably should, but I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I'm glad I did the wheels too. If I didn't do the wheels and tires, it would have looked real whack. Whoop. But yeah, no, everything's looking really good. All right, guys, that'll be it for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you could, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button. And if you'd like to stick around, hit the subscribe button. We'll be putting out a lot more content. I hope this shows you that cleaning a vinyl wrapped vehicle is very straightforward. It's very easy. There are a couple more steps that you could do to shine it up if you have like a high gloss finish. I have a satin, so I really skipped that. I skipped that step and the maintenance is very, very low. So I think it came out really good. I hope you did too. Let me know in the comments if you think it's you know, a good option, or if you guys have any tricks or tips to share with the rest of the community. Put it down there so that we can all learn. So I will see you guys on the next video.